How do you convert a 90 into another degree using the Pipefitters Blue Book? Right here on page 87, it tells you what the measurements are. Let me show you. The Pipefitters Blue Book is a great tool, but when you first start out, you kind of don't know what you're looking at. This page right here will tell you how to convert a long radius 90 into a 45, a 30, or a 22 degree fitting, right? So let's say we were going to do a 4-inch 90 into a 45. All you have to do is go down here and it's going to give you the answers. So if you turn your 90 sideways, your measurement from here to here is going to be that, and your measurement on the outside from there to your cut line is going to be 6.5. But I'm going to go a step further and show you how this looks so that you can understand the concept and not just go by what this is saying. This is a 4-inch 90 right here. So the diameter on the outside is 4.5 inches right there, 4.5 inches. If you was to measure from the bottom to the center, it's a 6-inch takeoff. Now, these lines right here that I drew represent what you're trying to do, right? You're trying to convert it into a 45 degree. It's right at the halfway point. And this is going to be your cut line. This represents your cut line. So what you need is you need the distance from the bottom on the inside of the 90 to your cut line. Same on the outside, from the bottom all the way to your cut line. The book already gives you this, but so you can understand this, I've created 2 circles. These 2 circles fit right inside of that 90, right? So this right here is a 7.5 inch diameter circle, and this right here, 16.5 inch diameter circle. So if you wanted to find this distance, all you would need to do is find the perimeter all the way around, all the distance that goes all the way around the circle. But if you can see, there's 8 sections, because you only need 1 section out of how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same on this one right here. So if you was to multiply 7.5, if you have a calculator, the way you find the perimeter is by multiplying it by pi, which is 3.14. So if you multiply 7.5 times 3.14, it's going to give you the entire distance around. And you're going to divide that by 8, because you only need 1, right? And it's going to give you the distance from here to here. And if you plug that in on your laptop, on your calculator, that's the answer that is on the Blue Book right there. Same as over here. There's plenty of ways that you can figure this out. This is so you can get a basic idea of why those answers are there. But I will tell you this, out on the field, you would hardly ever cut 45, 60s. You will cut them, but for the most part, you'll have to figure out a different degree, which I have videos on. If you want me to do the video again, drop it in the comments. You can do it a bunch of ways. I know there's going to be a lot of guys telling me that. You can do it off your calculator. I'm simply explaining the process in the Blue Book so that you can understand and why those numbers are there. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Hit that like button, and thank you for watching.